Hi, my name is Emma Hogan and I thought I would show you how I sharpen my razors to get a nice clean edge using a knife, a scalpel. You can use any kind of cheapy scalpel. It doesn't have to be anything special. It could be a box cutter like this. I just tend to use my scalpel. And a bit of sandpaper like this. So to sharpen my electric eraser, I just hold it down on its side. Just keep going until it's pointy. And it's a nice point there for doing finer details. And then with my knife, with my normal big eraser, I'll just cut the edge off. It gives it a nice square edge for fine details. And with my tombos, I do the same thing. Take it down as low as you can because you don't want to cut loads of it off. And just get your knife off, and you have a nice new end again. Same with the squared one. And that's how I sharpen my razors.